In front of me is POCO X8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. To change size of your icons, begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll to click on Personalization. Following that, select Icons over here and manage this slider to adjust them. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!